Hi, welcome to this video, and in this video I want to show you how to add free SSL to your website using Cloudflare. Okay, Cloudflare affords you the ability to have security SSL security added to your website. So this video is especially for those of us that, if you are in Nigeria or maybe you are in Africa, you understand that it's really expensive, right, to purchase SSL. Most times when you buy a hosting plan for the first time, for the first 1 year, you get free SSL. For example, you want to buy SSL on Namecheap. Namecheap is about $13 the last time I checked. After your first year, when you buy a hosting plan, so when you buy a hosting plan, it comes with free SSL, right? But then after 1 year, you need to pay as much as $13. $13 times 1,600 naira. That's quite an amount of money. So this will help you. So let's say after 1 year, you want to renew your website. You renew your hosting, you renew your domain, but then you can easily bypass the SSL as it were and use Cloudflare for it. So what do? You go to cloudflare.com. This is the domain, cloudflare.com. Cloudflare. So you go here. It's pretty easy. Okay, I'm sorry, that's a mistake. So cloudflare.com. Just sign up. Click on start for free. You click on that button where it says getting started with Cloudflare. Right, okay, this is your registration page. So you can either sign in using your Google account or using your Apple account, or you simply just add in your email and password. Click on verify. So click on verify that you are human. So once you do all of that, you sign up like you sign up in every other place, and then an OTP will be sent to your mail just to confirm that registration. And then when you go through the finish registration, which is very simple, you go to your login. You just log in normally. For me, I created an account using my email and password. I didn't use Google. I don't have an Apple account. Okay, so you verify that you are human, and then you log in. So when you log in, it brings you. Now I've added a lot of websites, so you might see a lot of information loading up here. But for you, you can see I've added many websites, 29 of them that are currently active on name on Cloudflare. So what you're going to do now is you want to add a domain. You go to the top and click on add, and click on connect a domain. So it's going to load. Then you're going to fill in the domain here. So you have a domain. So this is the domain. Now just click on continue. Leave everything else the way they are. All right. So there are different plans, but then we're going for the free plan, which is this. So you click on select plan. Then the next thing you're going to do is scroll down and click on continue to activation till it brings you here. Now, as you can see, so these are the steps you're going to use to update your name servers on your domain registrar. So what this means is that wherever you register bought your domain from, okay, the registrar. Now, for me, this is a .com.ng, and there are different domain registrars in Nigeria that offers .com.ng. For this particular domain I'm using, it's Truehost. So I'll just go through Truehost. Now we're going to copy the name servers given to you. Let me copy this first one, and then the second one is copied. I'll go to Truehost. Now Truehost, in some hosting accounts, let me check, like in Afis host, for example. Now you want to change name servers on Afis host. This Truehost uses an AI, so you're going to use an AI to change your name servers. So let's say I want to change name servers for this particular domain. I'll click on the button and click on manage domain. It depends on the domain registrar you're using, though. Okay, depends on the domain registrar you're using. So I'll click on, then the next thing to click is change the name servers your domain points to. So I'm going to select use custom. So I'm going to clean off all of this. I'll clean off everything and then fill in. For example, I'm going to clean this off and put in this one, Thomas. Okay, I didn't clean everything off. Then put this one. So once I'm done, I'll clean off this one. Then I'll click on change name servers. I'm just giving an example. But for this one now, I'm going to DM them, start a conversation, and then go through the process. Let's see. Message. I'll say name servers updates, or you say I want to update my name servers, and start conversation. So the AI, please provide the domain name. So this is the domain name. Okay, all right. So apparently the email has to be the email as you submit. I needed to submit was supposed to be the email used to register this domain account. Okay, so I'm going to fill in the two name servers. So just in case you bought a domain from a domain registrar that uses AI, That will not allow you to change your name servers automatically. Right, this is what you're supposed to do. Okay, so now it has been affected, it has been updated, but then you have to wait for 24 hours to 48 hours. Usually within 24 hours, 12 hours to 24 hours, in my own opinion, the name should have changed. But I didn't even show you something. Now let me show you something. Let me open this particular site. This is the site we are working on, right? You will notice it is not secure. It's not secure. You can see this sign here showing that it's not secure. So I'm going to come back when it has fully propagated, and you will notice that this will be showing you a keypad, meaning that it's now secure with SSL. So this is basically how this works.